What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle, finished in black paint, red pinstripe, black interior, 396 big block engine, Hurst 4-speed shifter with a 4-speed transmission. This car is just awesome. The paint shines really nice. Gorgeous black paint. Car sounds great. There's your interior. Disc brakes in the front. As you can hear, the car sounds great. Here you got your Hurst 4-speed shifter, and this one is a little special, so I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. You're going to push down for reverse. That's how you get into reverse with this shifter. You have to push down. So some people do not know about that. It's an old school Hurst super shifter. That's what that would be, where you push down all the way to the side and you got reverse. So you can't just shift into reverse. It's got a radio, cassette player, kind of a modern-ish radio, only FM. Nothing crazy. Cassette. There's your climate controls, your gauges, mile per hour gauge. 31,000 miles is what it reads, the speedometer. The odometer. You got your gasoline gauge, all your warning lights, washer, wiper, your light switch, your vents. This car was really well done and it drives great. My favorite feature, you got a nice wood 3-spoke steering wheel, or imitation wood as GM had them. Horn works, tilt wheel, which is really, really nice to have. I'm gonna go ahead and show you these, the trunk. Meanwhile, you got your SS 396 badges all in here. Back seat area is looking pretty nice. Here, your trunk area, really, really clean, really simple. Spare tire with red line, wire harness instruction, factory assembly instruction manual. Here's your spare tire. Like I said, red line tire, real correct for the era. Get all your quarter panels done nicely. Everything is just really nice on this car. Jacking instructions, limited slip differential warning sticker. And the trunk closes really nicely. Underneath, you got your 12-bolt rear end with the sway bar. So this car is ready to go. High performance as can be. Your engine bay, really, really correct. Under here appearing. Really simple. You can tell it was redone. You got your 396. Quadrajet underneath there. Just a really nicely well done car. Exhaust manifolds. Your hoses say GM, everything says GM. It's really nice. Whoever did this car did a great job. Even with the foam under the hood. Go ahead and close the hood. Closes nicely and all the gaps line up great. If you're interested in this car, You could call us at 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We are located in Addison, Illinois. You could also visit our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Our business hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We have around 250 cars in stock, so I would recommend checking out the website, checking out everything else, because we got quite the wide range of cars, and we got something for everyone. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1969 Chevelle. I hope to see you guys here at MGM Classic Cars. We also offer special financing for these classic cars and shipping nationwide across the United States. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and keep an eye on our new inventory because we get stuff in almost every day. Everybody have a great day. And as I said before, my name is Mr. Jenkins. It's been a pleasure. Bye-bye.